Today we are here to celebrate such dreams turned into achievements. It is time to appreciate our metric position holders. To present these awards, I would like to invite our respected chief guest, Professor Rashid Ahmed Bhatti, Secretary Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education Gujranwala, along with the Chairman Angel Sir Salim Yunus Chima and Managing Director Sir Mohammad Raza Chaudhary. Sir, please come on the stage to appreciate our angels. It gives me immense pleasure to announce the shining star of Angel School System. Give a thunder of claps to Zainab Kaisar, daughter of Kaisar Naim, scored 1173 marks out of 1200. She stood first in the school and achieved a prominent position in Gujranwala board, awarded with the cash prize of 50,000 rupees along with the shield. Give a huge round of applause to Zainab Kaisar. होनहार तालिबा ज़ैनब कैसर, जिन्होंने 1200 में से 1173 नंबर हासिल करके बोर्ड में नुमाया, जबकि स्कूल में पहली पोजीशन अपने नाम की। इस शानदार कामयाबी पर स्कूल की जानिब से 50,000 रुपए का नकद इनाम दिया जा रहा है। ज़ैनब कैसर, put your hands together for Hajra Kaisar, daughter of Kaisar Mahmood, scored 1171 marks out of 1200 and is awarded with cash prize of 30,000 rupees. Put your hands together for Hajra Kaisar. वो खुद ही तय करते हैं मंजिल आसमानों की, परिंदों को नहीं दी जाती तालीम उड़ानों की, रखते हैं जो हौसला आसमां को छूने का, इनको नहीं परवाह कभी गिर जाने की। Put your hands together for Meerab Fatima, daughter of Muhammad Sajjad Naim, scored 1170 marks out of 1200 and it is awarded cash prize of rupees 20,000. A big round of applause for Meerab Fatima. Meerab Fatima. Parents of Meerab Fatima want to take photo with her. A proud moment for the family. My humble request to Zainab Kaisar, Hajra Kaisar and Meerab, please come on the stage for a group photo. Along with the teachers and Principal Ma'am Sheba Umar, please come on the stage for a group photo. With the Chairman Angels, Managing Director and the Chief Guest of today's ceremony, Professor Rashid Ahmed Bhatti, Secretary Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education Gujranwala. The shining star of Angel School System Deska, Hajra Kaisar, got cash prize of 30,000. Zainab Kaisar, cash prize of 50,000. Meerab Fatima, cash prize of 20,000. The teachers of these angels and principal, along with the managing director, Chairman Angels, and our chief guest, Professor Rashid Ahmed Bhatti, Secretary Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education Gujranwala. A memorable day for all these angels. बंदे की तकदीर का तारा है खुदी, ये चमक उठे तो मुकद्दर भी चमकता है। It's a moment of a great pride for Angel School System Deska to announce the position holders of Boys Campus whose outstanding performances has brought honor not only to our institution but also to the entire district. I proudly announce Abdur Rafi, son of Muhammad Anwar, secured an exceptional 1171 marks out of 1200 in matric examination. Got cash prize of 50,000 rupees. Abdur Rafi, son of Muhammad Anwar. First position at school level and earned prominent position at board level as well. In recognition of his remarkable achievement, he is awarded with the cash prize of 50,000 rupees. Parents of Abdur Rafi want to take photo with their son. Sir Muhammad Anwar is also the teacher of the boys campus. He is also the Angels family member. A proud moment for the family. The second position is secured by Ammar Imran, son of Muhammad Imran, obtained 1167 marks out of 1200. Stood second at school. Got the cash prize of 30,000 rupees by Angel School System Deska. ना तू ज़मीं के लिए है ना आसमां के लिए, जहां है तेरे लिए, तू नहीं जहां के लिए. Muhammad Ammar Imran. Second position at school, has shown commendable academic excellence, awarded with the cash prize of 30,000 by Angel School System Deska. Taking the photograph with the chief guest, Professor Rashid Ahmed Bhatti, Chairman Angels and Managing Director. Third position goes to Noman Ahmed, son of Muhammad Abbas. Achieved 1160 marks out of 1200. Parents are receiving the shield along with the cash prize of 20,000 rupees. Mother of Noman Ahmed is receiving the award of his son. A round of applause please for these brilliant students whose dedication and hard work has consistency have set a benchmark for excellence for others. Ladies and gentlemen, Angel School System proudly announces its participation in international academic achievements. Here we have our brilliant angels. Okay, angels of boys campus, staff of the boys campus, please come on the stage. And I request to the angels, Noman Ahmed and Abdur Rafi, come on the stage for a group photo. Abdur Rafi Ammar Imran, mother of Noman Ahmed, principal of the boys campus Ma'am Ghazala Amin, along with the teachers of these angels are taking the group photo. A beautiful moment with the Chairman Angel Sir Salim Yunus Chima, Managing Director Sir Muhammad Raza Chaudhary, our Chief Guest Professor Rashid Ahmed Bhatti, Secretary Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education Gujranwala.